I have the honor to meet the doctor, the chiropractor that actually invented the stick. And he was here in Atlanta. And this is the muscle management tool, like a toothbrush for your muscles. So all athletes should have this device to help them release the tension of the muscle. Basically, the muscle, when it gets tired, it produces lactic acid. And if, for example, you have tiredness on the right side, it's going to bring you back out of alignment, and then you're going to get subluxated. So it's very important to work your muscle with every day. If you can do that, you know, you go to the gym, you put this in your bag. You can also do have one with your golf bag, with your tennis bag. This is a great tool. It's called the stick, and you use it on your muscles to loosen up and roll your muscle here. So you can do the back. You can do between your shoulder blades. So you can do this. Here you go a little bit to the right and the left. You do it for about 20 times. You go on the side here. You go here, and then I'm going to go down here in the hips. On this side, the leg, look at this. So the stick you can use in all the joints. You see here, all the muscles here, between two joints, you have muscles. You're loosening up the muscles here. If you have carpal tunnel, for example, warm up, use a stick, stretch, it's going to get better. So we have those at the clinic to help you, and we show you how to use it properly, okay? Very important. It's going to help you stay in adjustment. Stay in adjustment, help your body heal. Do that. Do all these tools at home. It's like brushing your teeth. It's going to avoid decay, and you need to do that very well. Today's world, you know, people are doing a lot of texting. They're having poor posture. So at the end of the day, it's very good to take some detentionizer. You put this device between your shoulders, and we instruct that to do that for 2 to 5 minutes under your neck to come back with a good position of your curve. It's going to help you a lot. This is a great tool that we have at the clinic. And for those people who have car accident, injuries, when you take the x-ray, if you lose your curvature of your neck, you're going to have spinal decay in your cervical spine. Then you know it affects the nerve going down your arms, and then your tingling and numbness in your hands. Sometimes it goes up your head to your head. So all of that here, with the new lifestyle of today, we recommend a great device for home traction. So you put and relax at home on the floor, and we cover this with you when you come here to relax your body, to be able to heal well. We have these devices that are excellent for you to recover cervical curvatures, and you need to do it at home, okay? A lot of people, they say, oh, the doctor does this and that. You say, you do it here with us first, and then you have the discipline to do it at home regularly, and it's going to help you greatly. Consistency and good habits is what make a difference with chiropractic care. So God bless you, and please do it.